Hello, my name is Andrew McKay, and today I'd like to show you some of the features and functions of Google Calendar, an extremely useful tool for a designer like myself to keep track of projects and due dates. So let's start by learning the layout of this tool and how to navigate through it. Then we will edit our own calendar, add some personalized features, and show how to customize those features. Now this is a very basic starting page when you first open up Google Calendars. This feature is tied directly to your Google account here, so you can use multiple different calendars for multiple different accounts, or even share this one between them. At the top right here, we can change the scale of the calendar by moving to day, week, month, or even year, or even a specific set of dates, but we're going to stick with month here. Over to the left, we have a smaller at-a-glance calendar menu for easier navigation, and then a list of events and tasks that we can add to specific dates on the calendar to modify them. So we're going to move on to more important functions of the calendar. I'd like to show you how to set an event and then also set a reminder for that event. We're going to start by choosing a day here that we'd like the event to happen. Let's go ahead and pick October 4th here. And this menu is going to pop up to allow us to set certain details for that date. We're going to select event, and we're going to add a title for this. Let's say Design Workshop. We can go ahead and add a time here. We're going to actually set this for 11 to 12:30. Now, if you know the guests who are going to be attending, you can add those here. We can add a location here, which I do know. This is going to be in the Design South building of Arizona State University, which Google has located for us right at the top here. And we can even add a description. Designing a haunted house. Now, when we click Save, we will have set up our first event here for the 4th. Now, let's say we'd like to set a reminder for that event. Well, we want that to happen before the event, most likely. So let's go ahead and select the 3rd here. And then we're going to select Reminder in the menu. We can add a title here, Workshop Reminder. And if the workshop were to occur more than just once here, let's say it occurred on all Fridays, we can repeat this reminder weekly on a Thursday, for example, and hit Save. And this is going to repeat this reminder for all those days for us. Now, again, on the left here, we can do some more things with these. We can actually select options, change the color for events if we'd like. Let's say we want this citron yellow instead. That'll change the yellow dot up here next to events. And then if we don't like the title, we can go to Settings and Sharings and change it to say Jobs instead of Events and go back. And then we can also hide certain things to say only look at jobs or only look at reminders. Or down here, we can even add holidays to the calendars if you maybe like to know when you might be going on holiday. Now, these are just some of the features of Google Calendar, but there's much more that can be done to help with organizational skills. As a designer, I often find I am working on multiple projects at once, and utilizing a tool like this to help keep track of milestone dates and project dates can be vital to the success of the project. I hope you check out Google Calendar for yourself, especially if you feel like you could be more organized in your professional life. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation.